one, medium, madam. Wait lang ha. Down this one, medium, for only 56 pesos. Mine request, medium, madam, for only 56. Mine request, madam, medium, madam, for only 56 pesos. Mine request, medium, madam, 56. Request, next, madam.
Mayan, request. Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan, Boracay. Mine, Boracay, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mayan, Boracay, for only 56. Next, madam.
Mayan, Boracay, next na, madam. Down this one, inikot lang ninyo sa likod. For only 56 pesos, medium to semi-large. Mayan, yes. Mine, yes, madam. Medium, madam, for only 56. Mine, yes, madam. Medium, madam, 56. Mine, yes, medium, madam, 56. Yes, next na, madam.
Mayan, yes, kasha sa large. Pwede po ba pa-flex si Japan? Kung di siya kasha din.
Check na.
Ikaw, sige, ikaw may pag-napag na.
Kasha siya large. Stretchable. I-flexible. Ikaw may suot, ikaw may nag-flex.
Down this one, large. Large, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan, DT. Mine, DT, madam, large for 56 pesos. Mayan, DT, for only 56. Next na, madam.
Mayan, DP.
Madam, Lynn Apple. Kasha siya sa large, pwede pa flex ulit. Yes, madam, kasha rin siya, dam. Kaya stretchable naman siya. Flex na, dam, ha.
Wait lang, dam.
Napa siya, good. Mauni siya, dam. Si Japan. Stretchable na siya, dam. Sa likod. Sa front. Okay, next naman na.
Next na, madam. For only 56 pesos.
Pwede pa flex ulit si Damang. Salamat.
Down this
Sige,
one,
naman.
ikaw ato. Parang, di ba, nag-flex sa bag, ang katong nasundan na to. Down this one before. For also last yung mga code. Down for only 56 pesos, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, Mayan Polo. My Polo, medium to semi-large, 56. Excuse me, My Polo, medium to semi-large, 56. My Polo, medium to semi-large, 56. Polo, next na, madam.
Madam Annalyn, mao ba ni si Damang Dam? Or kaning ko ano? Kaning Borg spaghetti. 1 or 2. Comment, madam. Annalyn. Dito pa.
Mayan Polo. Next na, madam. Alam ka. Ha? Hugot yun. Ikaw may nagsuot. Ikaw daw, okay na? Madam, next na, madam. For only 56 pesos.
Hi, nakay-hi.
Wala. Hello, Madam Jimela Cruz. Good afternoon, Madam Jimela.
Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. My new, madam, small for 56 pesos. My new, for only 56. Next na, madam.
Mayan
T-shirt
new.
2 daw.
Medium. Medium, madam, for only 56. Mine stick. Mine stick, madam. Medium, madam, 56. Yung tela niyo, madam, is para siyang pasok. Mine stick, madam, hindi siya needed, 56. Mine stick, medium, madam, 56. Stick, next na, madam.
My stick, madam Annalyn, mao ba ni siya daw? Si Damang? Madam, yes, sir. Madam, yes, sila Baptiste. Yours to see. New, madam, please ka screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam.
Next na, madam. Down this one for only 56 pesos, madam. Down up to medium. Up to medium, madam. Mine Brazil. Baliktad lang ako, dam. Mine Brazil, medium, madam, 56. Mine Brazil, medium, madam, 56. Mine Brazil, medium, madam, 56. Brazil, closer look daw kay ano.
Ang big or not?
Size daw ako.
Madam, medium to large, madam Annalyn. Si Damang. Madam, yes, sir. Mo si kwanda mo. Si New. Wapa ni siya dam, baga siya tala. Next, madam. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine see-through. Mine see-through, madam. Medium for 56 pesos. Mine see-through for only 56. Next, madam.
Mayan see-through. O, down Sammy Mad. Sammy Mad, madam, for only 56. Mayan banana. Mine banana. Sammy Mad, 56. Mayan banana. Nagano, tapos nagsawag dito. Naka, anak eh. Karon dayo. Mine banana, Sammy Mad, 56. Banana. Madam Annalyn, the medium to large po yung size nila, ma'am. Mine banana. Next na, madam.
Mine banana. Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine payong. Mine payong, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mine payong, small for only 56. Next na, madam.
Mayan payong for only 56 pesos. O, down this one for only 56 pesos. Wait lang ha. O, down best fetch is small. 10 over 10 ang pagkabla. Small, madam, for only 56. Mayan. May sabu. May sabu. Cancel lang doon. For only 56. May sabu. Small, madam, 56. Sabu. Okay, madam. Yes, Neil. Na-cancel na po, madam.
See-through. Madam, Regine Ricomo, yours is see-through, madam. Please to screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Madam Annalyn Villavuesta, yours na si Damang, madam. Please to screenshot 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Next na, madam. Down this one, Sememed. Sememed, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan, tape. Mine tape, madam, Sememed for 56 pesos. Mine tape for only 56. Next na, madam.
Mayan tape, the medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large, madam, 56. Mayan langit. Mine langit, madam, medium to semi-large, 56. Mine langit, medium to semi-large, 56. Mine langit, medium to semi-large, 56. Langit. Next na, madam. Mayan langit. Next na, madam.
Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine pentel pin. Mine pentel pin, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mine pentel pin for only 56. Next na, madam. Salamat na ka 3 item. Nagmumapapay ako sa gabi. Okay, madam.
Minor na.
Isa man.
Madam Regine Ricomon, yung minor ka po, madam, please send us your complete details and your 100 pesos down payment. Para di makancel yung item at para makapag-mine pa sa next, madam. Please check your messenger, Madam Regine Ricomon, na amig i-pay mo, madam. Down this one, small. Small, madam, for only 56. Mayan Converge. Mine Converge, madam, for only 56 pesos. Mine Converge, small, madam, for only 56. Mayan Converge, small, 56. Converge, next na, madam.
Mayan Converge. Down this one, large. Large, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan Facebook. Mine Facebook, madam, large for 56 pesos. Mayan Facebook for only 56. Next na, madam.
Mayan Facebook, next na, madam, for only 56.
Mine Facebook.
For only 56 pesos, my Facebook. Down 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. 10 over 10 ang pagka-black, small to medium. Mine, good luck. Mine, good luck, small to medium, 56. Mine, good luck, small to medium, madam, 56. Mine, good luck, small to medium, 56. Good luck.